Hi, my name is Darrell Peak, Director of Digital Innovation and Solutions at the Office of the Chief Technology Officer, also known as OCTO at DHS. OCTO created ROCKIT Innovation Lab to provide a third-party end-to-end engineering for testing new IT solutions prior to enterprise implementation. We partnered with U.S. Digital Services and S&T for a 45-day sprint to complete a proof of concept for a tool that will help automate parts of the arduous Authority to Operate, or ATO, process. The process as it stands isn't scaling to meet the pace of today's IT development for a variety of reasons, but GovReady-Q will speed up that process tremendously. Imagine a pain-free ATO process. That's what we're trying to create with GovReady-Q and ROCKIT Lab.
In short, GovReady-Q runs security scans and automatically updates the System Security Plan (SSP) and the DevOps CI/CD pipeline based on continuing changes to an application. It works alongside the existing NIST risk management framework, creating a compliant supply chain that develops pre-written control narratives, predefined evidence types, and testing routines for the components we use in our IT systems. Our goal is to add security compliance checks alongside the existing set of tests in the CI/CD pipeline and to build our compliance artifacts as an output of the pipeline. We'll be able to organize relationships between components and controls into a reusable package, something like a compliance app, which contains questions, rules, evidence guidelines, pre-written control narratives, and templates. It even has an API to collect information from other software and endpoints. Now, ISOs and security teams can define component security plans for frequently used components of IT systems. Eventually, there will be a whole libraries of these reusable compliance app packages in our supply chain. So the more GovReady-Q is used, the faster the whole process will be. Once we have several of these reusable compliance apps, we'll be able to develop system templates, specifying what components are needed to make up a particular type of IT system compliant. So when we ask how to do an ATO, the answer can be we have an app for that. As we answer questions and collect information for each kind of compliance, the information is aggregated and can flow into artifacts into our existing GRC software. Just imagine data flowing directly from tests into the pipeline through the appropriate compliance apps and routed correctly into the documentation for GRC tools.
GovReady-Q's security scans and automatic updates to the SSP in the DevOps CI/CD pipeline will take most of the difficulty out of the security process, making innovating applications at DHS faster and easier. We're so excited about the possibilities of GovReady-Q and how it will streamline the ATO process.